Sunlight filters through oak leaves, painting Nora's compact backyard garden with a warm, inviting glow. Potted plants sit in neat rows, each marked with masking tape, a testament to careful cultivation. Nora, young and earnest, her fingernails stained with earth, delicately arranges soil in a blue ceramic pot. The garden is her sanctuary, a vibrant canvas reflecting her passion and meticulous care. A close-up reveals Nora's hands, weathered yet gentle, poised above the dark earth. With infinite care, she nestles a peculiar seed into the soil, a gesture of hope and trust. The seed is round and smooth, an orb holding a universe of potential within its shimmering surface. An inner starlight seems captured within a silent promise of the life it holds. Her touch lingers, a silent blessing on the fragile hope now buried in the soil. The earth closes around the seed, sealing the secret and waiting for the miracle to unfold. Sunlight bathes Nora's backyard garden as she tends to a small pot, the soil thirsty for moisture. The soil darkens, rich as melted chocolate. As Nora waters the tiny seed, she leans in close, her breath a gentle whisper over the seed, a silent promise. A tender moment of anticipation fills the air as she watches over her garden. "You'll be special," Nora whispers, her voice full of hope for the life about to bloom. Children's laughter fills the air as a lively game of tag unfolds on the neighborhood street. Nora's face lights up with a radiant smile, and she joins the exhilarating chase. The warm afternoon sun casts long, playful shadows as the children's boundless energy animates the scene. Hours melt away in a blur of motion and pure, unadulterated joy as the game continues. As dusk paints the sky in vibrant hues, Nora's memory sparks a frantic return to her backyard garden. The blue pot, once a symbol of hope, now reveals soil parched and cracked under the fading light. The dry soil serves as a stark reminder of neglect. The orange and purple sunset casts long shadows. Weeks drift by in Nora's vibrant garden, a colorful haven where life flourishes under the sun. Amidst the blooming spectacle, a stark blue pot sits barren, untouched by the surrounding vitality. Nora, her spirit subdued, slumps beside the empty pot, a portrait of quiet disappointment. Her shoulders droop, mirroring the unfulfilled promise of the barren earth before her. The vibrant garden mocks her failed efforts, a painful reminder of unrealized hopes. In Nora's sun-drenched backyard garden, a blue pot emits a faint, ethereal glow, casting soft shadows on the weathered soil. A tiny sprout emerges from the earth, a fragile promise of life reaching towards the sky. The delicate stem falters, struggling against the weight of the soil and the unknown. The ethereal glow intensifies, bathing the struggling sprout in an otherworldly light. A silent battle unfolds in the heart of the garden, where hope and fragility meet. The tiny sprout persists, a testament to the enduring power of life amidst the gentle afternoon sun. A sprout, fragile and green, fills the frame, its delicate form magnified. Sudden movement! Nora recoils, surprise etched across her face. A tiny voice, laced with frustration. "I can't grow like this." Nora stares, her eyes widening as she realizes the sprout has spoken. In Nora's vibrant backyard garden, sunlight dances on the leaves as she reaches for her trusty watering can. Water cascades into the pot, a nurturing stream for the tiny sprout below. The sprout seems to sigh with relief, its delicate stem visibly straightening. Life bursts forth in a silent symphony of green, a testament to care and renewal. In her backyard garden, Nora tends to a tiny sprout, a beacon of hope amidst the greenery. With gentle hands, she waters the fragile stem, her touch nurturing and protective. Each day, Nora diligently removes weeds, ensuring the young plant receives all it needs to thrive. Under Nora's loving care, the plant stretches towards the sky, its leaves unfurling in the sunlight. The garden flourishes, reflecting Nora's unwavering dedication and the vibrant promise of new life. Sunlight bathes the neighborhood street as Leo waves, his grin infectious with youthful energy. "Nora, come play! We're building a fort!" Leo shouts, his voice echoing with excitement. Nora pauses, her eyes reflecting a visible internal conflict. The vibrant street beckons, promising adventure and camaraderie. A silent battle rages within Nora. Nora hesitates, torn between the allure of play and the responsibility for her plant. The dusk settles over Nora's backyard garden, casting long shadows where a magical glow once danced. Nora returns to her garden, her heart sinking at the sight of what was once a vibrant sanctuary. The plant, now withered and lifeless, stands as a stark reminder of what has been lost. With trembling hands, Nora reaches out to touch the brittle leaves, her face etched with disbelief. "No," she whispers, her voice barely audible above the rustling leaves, tears beginning to well. A wave of grief washes over Nora as she confronts the desolate reality of her garden. Golden sunlight drenches the rose garden, a warm embrace on blooming petals and dew-kissed leaves. Nora watches from the garden's edge, her gaze drawn to Leo amidst the fragrant roses. Leo kneels beside his grandmother, a picture of gentle care as he tends to her roses. With quiet diligence, he waters each plant, his movements a tender ballet of love and respect. Each drop glistens, a testament to the enduring bond between grandson, grandmother, and the roses they cherish. Sunlight bathes Nora's face as she kneels, a serene guardian amidst the vibrant life of her backyard garden. Her gentle hands, weathered yet tender, carefully tend to a blue pot, nurturing the delicate plants within. A soft whisper escapes her lips, a tender promise to the blooming life around her. "I'm here," Nora murmurs, her voice blending with the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant hum of bees. The garden thrives under her care, a sanctuary of peace and quiet beauty, reflecting the warmth in Nora's heart. Weeks later, the solitary sprout remains unchanged, a silent green sentinel amidst the dark earth. Morning light catches something new in Nora's garden, a subtle shift that hints at life's quiet persistence. Nora squints, her gaze drawn to the tiny sprout, an unspoken question in her eyes. A tentative reach towards the sun, the sprout has lifted its head slightly, the small plant showing the first sign of hope after a long period. The miracle of life, a symbol of hope and resilience, blooming in Nora's garden. Nora's backyard bursts into a vibrant garden, a kaleidoscope of colors drawing the awed gazes of her neighbors. Her smile radiates pure joy, a reflection of the love and care poured into her blooming sanctuary. Her hands, stained with earth, cradle the thriving blossoms, testament to her nurturing touch. A sign reads, "Growing takes care," a simple truth blooming alongside the flowers.